What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I have a fiber optic light kit from this brand. I don't really know how to pronounce it. I'd say maybe Tachico. This is a fiber optic light kit that you can get on Amazon, and I'll show you just real quick here. So basically what this is it's a LED lighting kit for the roof of your car. If you've ever seen videos of Rolls-Royce cars, they have this from the factory, but it's little fiber optic lights that you can install in the roof of your car, as you can see in this picture. And these ones will change color. They have an app that you can connect to, and there's all sorts of customization you can do with the color modes. But it's just a cool way to do some interior lighting in your car. This is running $110. This specific one, this is the 550 piece kit. So we got a whole range of different sizes and lengths for these kits for whatever would fit your vehicle the best. And I believe they have a size chart here on their listing somewhere. Here's their buying guide right here. So this is what you'll want to look at on their Amazon listing, and I'll put a link down in the description for this so you guys can find it easy. But this tells you kind of what kind of vehicles and what kind of lengths you'll need, kind of their recommendations for the different types of vehicles. You'll definitely want to check that out to know which kit to get. We're gonna go ahead and open up this box. This kit that they sent me is the 550 piece, 13.1 feet long, and 16 watt fiber optic lamp. This is not an installation video. I just want to kind of do an unboxing and go over some of the features, and we'll plug the lights in so I can show you how it works, but I'm not going to be installing these today. So inside the box, you've got various different things. Right here is going to be your little instruction manual. They don't really have installation instructions on this. There's this little diagram that kind of shows how it works, but not super good instructions. There should be other videos on YouTube that talk about how to install a kit like this. Here are some of the specifications. If you guys want to read that, you can pause the video and check it out. Some of the important ones is that you got a 50,000 hours of life on the LED lights, and they do give you a 2-year warranty, so I think that is fantastic. I love it when companies warranty their products. As you can see here, there's a QR code for the app. You can download that app, and I'll show you that here in a little bit. On this page, there's just kind of some instructions for the app, using the app, and then it also comes with a remote control, so you don't have to get the app if you don't want. Here on the back, it tells you kind of how to shorten these fiber optic lines if you would like to, and then like I said, down here there's a little installation diagram. So that's all on this little pamphlet. Alright, so what else we get in this box? You get your power adapter. Now this is for a house, basically, if you want to plug it in at your house. This isn't just for vehicle use only. You can really put these anywhere you want. You also have a car plug-in. What's nice about this car plug-in is that it has a quick on and off button right here, so you don't actually have to unplug the whole thing. So here's the actual LED light engine. This is what produces the light. This is a nice quality unit. It's aluminum. This is going to be the unit that connects to your phone, connects to the remote. It's got antennas. It's got a microphone. Put it on a music setting, and the lights will actually flash to the music beat, which is sweet. And then there's your power port and 2 little LED indicators on there. We also get this remote that will allow you to change all the colors of the light, change different modes. You've got fade 7, fade 3, so that fades through 7 different colors or fades through 3 different colors. Jump 7 jumps through 7 different colors. Jump 3 different colors. Flash breath, music off and music on. So that music feature is pretty sweet. And then you can manually select what colors you want, and there's brightness settings there as well, on and off. So we'll actually put this to use when I plug this in. Now you're probably wondering, what is this huge white coil in here? This is actually the fiber optic cable. So like I said earlier, this is 13 feet long, so it's all coiled up right now. If we zoom in there, you can see all the little fibers. Now there's 550 fibers, and each one of these has an end, which ends right here. Pretty hefty stuff right here. And then this is your connection where it'll connect to your LED light engine. There's a little set screw here. You screw that in just like that. The last thing that comes in the box are these little drill bits, and these are for the fiber optic lines. You'll have to take off the lining on the roof of your car and drill little holes in it in order to put those fiber optic lines through. So that's part of the process I'm not going to go into detail with, but you can see there's multiple sizes here. It tells you right here on the back of the pack the different sizes and what they're suitable for, because your kit will have different size fiber. The fiber that is in this kit is 0.3 inches. It's nice that they include these drill bits so you don't have to go to the hardware store and try and find the right size, and so they give you the right size here. Alright, I had to set up on the ground by the outlet because this power cord isn't very long, so if you need to reach it a long distance you might need to get an extension. But here I'm going to attach this piece. Once you get this set up, if you're going to use the remote, make sure to pull this little plastic tab out of it. I got this plugged in now, and this is really sweet, guys. Check this out. I'm going to turn it on. So already it's very bright. Now the way that the fiber optic works is that it doesn't actually emit very much light from the middle section of the tube. Most of the light is actually coming in the beginning, and then it's flowing through these fibers and shining the brightest out the end. So you can see the end here is where the most of the light is coming out. So the ends of these fibers right here is what's going to be showing in your vehicle, and that's where the light's going to be coming through. It's not this whole coil that's really lighting up, even though it kind of looks like it right now. And it does a little bit, but not as much as on the end, and that's the whole idea of fiber optic. And it's actually more bright than I was expecting. I'm right by a window, so I'm by no means in a dark room, and it's lighting up pretty bright. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of mess around with some of the settings. So we got red, green, blue, all of these preset colors here. Now we'll go to jump 3. So that just goes between 3 different colors kind of fast. Jump 7 will change between 7 different colors. And then the fade, which is my favorite, fade 3, it slowly fades between the different colors. Fade 7, slowly fade between 7 colors. There's flash, looks like it's just red flashing. And then breath, so it's almost like the fading, but it's more like a breathing kind of fade. And then music, so this will actually change color to the music. You can see it's sensing my voice right now, and it's changing different colors. Let me play a little bit of music on my phone and kind of show you how that works. Alright guys, so you can see that function works really well, and it's super cool, especially if you're going to be installing this in your car. Most people listen to music in their vehicles, so to have that feature is actually pretty awesome. And like I said, you can also dim. You can change the brightness. Alright. All I've done so far is download this app and open it up, and automatically it has connected. I didn't have to do anything special with my Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. All I did was open the app and it automatically connected. So as you can see here, you've got a manual adjustment, this wheel of color that you can change all sorts of colors manually. Down here you have preset colors, and then you can also add your own preset colors that you like down here. So say I like that color, I can click add, and now I can always go back to that color. So that is pretty nice. And then down here in modes, these are all the different modes, kind of like you have on the remote, that you can switch between. You can change the speed of the changing of the colors and change between these different modes. This app seems to be very responsive. As soon as I click it, watch. There's no delay really in the controls, which is really nice. It just seems like a really quality system here. Don't really have complaints about it. So that is pretty much everything you got on the app. Not a bad way to upgrade the interior of your vehicle. Well guys, that is going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. If you want to buy this kit for yourself, I'll leave the link in the description. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.